Welcome to Best Trading Hub, where we move beyond the basics and dissect the real mechanics of market success. Right now, you're analyzing charts, backtesting strategies, and maybe even seeing green on your screen. But let me ask you something. Does it feel fragile, like your progress could vanish with one emotional decision? That's because you're missing the most critical, unspoken chapter in a trader's journey. It's not a strategy, it's a phase, the silent phase. Today, we're not talking about indicators or entries. We're addressing the profound internal shift that separates a technically proficient market participant from a truly profitable, consistent trader. This is the silent phase. It's that stretch of time, often after the initial euphoria of learning fades, where you're technically sound. You know your system, your backtest results are solid, but your live account, it's stagnant. Or worse, it's chaotically volatile. The market seems to personally reject your every move. This, right here, is the crucible. The silent phase is where you battle your own psychology in utter solitude. There's no glory here. No screenshots of massive wins to post. It's a grueling, quiet war against impatience, against the urge to override your system after 2 losses, against the arrogance of a 3-trade win streak. Profitable traders don't just skip this phase. They embrace it as the final, most important piece of their education. They understand that during this silence, you're not failing, you are integrating. You are forcing your intuition to align with your rules through brutal repetition. The market is no longer a puzzle to be solved, but a mirror held up to your discipline. Every premature entry screams of your greed. Every early exit whispers of your fear. This phase is about listening to those whispers and screams, and systematically silencing them with process. You stop trading to be right, and start trading to execute correctly. The P&L becomes a secondary scorecard. The primary focus becomes the meticulous adherence to your edge. This is where you transition from knowing the path to actually walking it, step by disciplined step, with no external validation. When you emerge on the other side, your trading is quiet, your mind is quiet. The noise of the markets, the news, the opinions, it all fades into background static. Your decisions become automatic, detached, and precise. That silence you cultivated within becomes your greatest asset. If this dissection of the real trading journey resonated with you, then you belong here. Hit that like button and subscribe to Best Trading Hub for more content that speaks to the trader in the arena, not the spectator. Drop a comment below and tell us about your experience in the silent phase, how long it lasted, or how you broke through. Share this video with one trader who you know is grinding through this right now. They'll thank you for it. Until next time, remember, the market shouts, but profits are made in the silence. Trade smart.